Good morning everybody, I am Jaideep Mundhra from Bikaner Polymers, Jaipur. We are manufacturers of PET cans and jars. Today in this video we will be talking about our new range of PET cans and jars which we have developed for gifting. In this we have sizes from 200 ml up till 450 ml. The main aspect of this range is that it can be sealed with the easy open end also and with foil also. To demonstrate this, we are conducting a trial of sealing for these cans. So over here we have a foil, aluminium foil. So we will be sealing the can with aluminium foil. We will be using an induction vat to seal the can, and then we will be using a easy open end to seal the can. We are starting the sealing process. Please have a look. This is first. We have applied the easy open end and a long colored cap is placed on top. Second, we are conducting this induction vat sealing. Induction vat sealing is done. We'll open this in 1 minute. Meanwhile, we'll do this foil sealing. This foil sealing is done. After the foil sealing, the cap is placed properly. Now we'll open the induction sealing, and the induction is done properly. So this range is good enough for all three types of sealing. You can use the easy open end, you can use the induction vat, and you can use the foil sealing also. For more queries, the contact details are mentioned in the description box below. Thank you.